The serial protocol converter can achieve bidirectional conversion of CAN and RS-485 data. This video aims to demonstrate the use of ECAN-101 protocol mode. In order to ensure the smooth progress of the demonstration, we have prepared the following materials. Firstly, we need to perform wiring operations between the products. Connect the 485 to USB converter and ECAN-101 in the way of a 2A and B to B. Connect the CAN-1H and CAN-1L interfaces of ECAN-101 to the H and L interfaces of ECAN-101 respectively. Connect the power supply to ECAN-101 in the manner of positive to positive and negative to negative. Power on the device. Connect the computer to ECAN-101 using a micro B to USB data cable. Plug the USB to 485 converter into the computer. So far, we have completed the connection of the product's hardware part. Next, proceed with parameter configuration. Open the ECAN-101 configuration software. Select the corresponding serial port. Open the serial debugging tool with the default baud rate of 11520. Click Connect Device. The software will automatically read device parameters. You can modify the serial parameters in the Serial Settings section. Note, changes here require a restart to take effect. This tutorial uses the default serial parameters. In the CAN bus settings, you can configure ECAN-101 CAN parameters. Currently, only standard CAN baud rates are supported. This tutorial uses a CAN baud rate of 250,000. For conversion direction, use the default bidirectional conversion. Select protocol mode as the conversion mode. Set the filter mode to receive all data. Custom protocol parameters are not effective in protocol mode. Refer to the product manual for details if needed. After completing the above settings, click Write Configuration. After successful writing, click Restart Device. ECAN-101 will automatically enter transmission mode. No need to reconnect in the configuration software. Now we proceed with the transmission demo. Close the ECAN-101 configuration software. Open the serial debugging tool. Open the serial port with baud rate 115,208 N1 settings. Make sure to enable hex display and send. Double-click to open ECAN-Tools software. Select the corresponding port of ECAN-101 and open the device. This tutorial uses channel 1 of ECAN-101. Set channel 1 parameters to the previously configured CAN baud rate of ECAN-101 to 150,000. Click Open Channel. Click Send Data. Send data via the serial debugging tool. 080000001112334455566778. Data can be viewed in ECAN-Tools. Frame ID is 01. Type is standard frame. Here you can enter the frame ID and data to send. Set frame ID to 2. Data can be arbitrary. Click Send to transmit CAN data to ECAN-101.